Hello everyone, you're on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to make Zelle payment. Let's go! Open your banking app. Login. Enter your username and password. Press Pay and Transfers. Send money with Zelle. Get started. Add your email and phone number. Follow the instructions below. After that, you will be able to use Zelle. Select Send money with Zelle. Select the recipient. Enter amount. Review and send. Now you know how to make Zelle payment. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.